students are the students who made it to the excellent category. Congratulations. Go! Ansharina Peach Mendoza, excellent, special awardee, second place, 17th Isaal Spelling Bee Challenge.
And the support of our families and friends. Today, we acknowledge the hard work and perseverance it took to reach this point. We celebrate the successes of our classmates, both big and small. May their accomplishments inspire us to continue learning and growing. Guide us all as we move forward, using the knowledge and skills we have gained to make a positive impact on the world. In the name of the Almighty Lord, Amen.
Go! Liam Radcliffe Mendoza. Hipolito Angela Gwen